Aberlink Measur3D is a truly revolutionary manual CMM. Compact, it can be placed anywhere on the shop floor, allowing measurement tasks to be carried out next to the machine tool. The Measur3D CMM is quick and easy to set up. Just plug it in and go. You'll be measuring parts within minutes, even with no prior operating experience. It can check the accuracy of parts after each machining operation and will quickly become the measurement tool of choice for jump-on inspection. Measurement functions can be selected by hovering the stylus over the measurement feature panel. Tap the surface of the part to take individual points, or stay in contact to use the scanning function where more points are required to measure form error. You can also automatically switch between touchpoint and continuous scanning by the way you measure the feature. It really is that quick and easy to use. Plane, line and circle measured features can be automatically recognised using Feature Predict. The Magic Curve function enables you to measure complex profiles in seconds. Trace around the complex profile and the software will automatically divide it into line and arc measurements. Dimensions can be automatically added for distance, diameter and true position by using the Auto Dimension function. The Measur3D software interface has all the reporting and analysis features of the standard Aberlink package, including graphical display, tabulated dimensions, feature form, CAD comparison and SPC analysis. Full GD&T dimensioning is also supported. Effortlessly fixture your parts with the infinitely adjustable Measur3D magnetic fixture kit. The Measur3D's 3 rotary axis design has undergone extensive development from the ground up to be both accurate and withstand the demands of shop floor CMM measurement. Whether checking a first off part, small batch quality control or setting CNC machines, the Measur3D is the easiest manual CMM to learn and use. The Aberlink Measur3D. Shop floor CMM inspection where you need it.